Hai guys, di video kali ini saya akan share pertanyaan interview di bagian bar di Kapal Pesiar. Bar merupakan salah satu pekerjaan yang sangat banyak peminatnya karena penghasilan di bagian ini yang sangat menggiurkan, yaitu bukan hanya dari tip yang didapatkan dari tamu-tamu yang mereka layani, tetapi juga berdasarkan persentase dari jumlah total penjualan. Karenanya lah, semakin ramah dan semakin banyak jumlah penjualan dari pekerja di bagian ini, maka semakin banyak pula penghasilannya. Berikut ini guys, saya akan berikan sebuah contoh alur pertanyaan yang sering disampaikan oleh si interviewer dan cara menjawabnya untuk bagian bar di Kapal Pesiar. Oke guys, jika you belum subscribe Surya di channel, silahkan subscribe sekarang juga agar you tidak ketinggalan dengan informasi-informasi penting agar bisa lulus interview dan bisa bekerja di Kapal Pesiar dengan cepat. Sebelum memasuki ruangan interview, ketuklah pintu 3 kali. Selanjutnya, katakan, "Excuse me." "Come in please." Setelah memasuki ruangan interview, jangan lupa tersenyum. Senyum itu gratis guys, dan itulah yang diharapkan oleh seorang interviewer. Lebih-lebih di usaha keramah-tamahan seperti bekerja di Kapal Pesiar. Sampaikan salam dan sebut nama si interviewer. "Good morning, Mr. John." "Good morning. How are you this morning, Mr. John?" "I'm doing great. How about you?" "I'm too. Thanks." Bersalaman dulu sebelum duduk. Itu menunjukkan kepercayaan diri yang you guys miliki dan juga bisa mengurangi sedikit gap antara si interviewer dengan si pelamar. "Have a seat please." "Thanks, Mr. John." Jika tidak dipersilahkan untuk duduk, mintalah izin untuk duduk pada si interviewer. "Can you tell me about yourself, please?" Secara umum, jawaban dari pertanyaan ini adalah tentang identitas, latar belakang pendidikan, dan pengalaman kerja yang berhubungan dengan posisi yang dilamar. Thanks for the time given. Now I would like to tell you about myself, my educational background, and my job experiences. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Suryadi. You may call me Suryadi. I am from Singaraja, Bali. I am 25 years old. I was born on the 1st of October 1994. My hobby is traveling. Secondly, I would like to tell you about my educational background. I graduated from the elementary school of SDA in 2007. I graduated from the junior high school of SMPB in 2010. I graduated from the senior high school of SMAC in 2013. And I graduated from Diploma 1 of Puri Vidya College Singaraja, majoring in Bar Department in 2014. Finally, I would like to tell you about my job experiences. I did my job training for 6 months in the hotel from January 1st until July 2nd, 2014 as a bar steward. I worked for the hotel for 2 years from July 4th, 2014 until July 31st, 2016 as a bar waiter. And I've been working for E-Hotel since August 1st, 2016 as a bar waiter. That's all about myself, my educational background and my job experiences. Thanks for your attention. How far is your house from our agent? My house is about 200 kilometers north from your agent. How do you come here? I come here by car. How long is it from your house to our agent by car? It's about 2 hours from my house to your agent by car. Why are you coming to our agent today? I'm coming to your agent today because I would like to work on a cruise line. Why do you want to work on a cruise line? I would like to work on a cruise line because I would like to get more salary to support my family. I would like to increase my knowledge, skill and experiences, and also I like traveling. Therefore, by working on a cruise line, I can travel around the world. What cruise line company do you want to work for? I would like to work for G Cruise Line Company. Why do you want to work for G Cruise Line Company? I would like to work for G Cruise Line Company because G Cruise Line Company is one of the biggest and the most famous cruise line company in the world, and it has good reputation. How do you know about it? I got information from my friends who work for G Cruise Line Company and also from internet. What position do you want to play for? I would like to be a bar steward. Why do you want to be a bar steward? I would like to work as a bar steward because I graduated from Diploma 1 of Puri Widya College Singaraja, majoring in bar department. I have some job experiences as a bar steward and also as a bar waiter. And I like serving guests and I like working in bars. Where is your workplace located? My workplace is located in Lovina, Singaraja. What is your bar's manager's name? My bar's manager's name is Mr. G. Okay, now I would like to know about your bar knowledge. What are the duties of a bar steward? A bar steward or bar utility is responsible to prepare glassware, prepare the garnish, help the bartender, open and close the bar, clean the bar counter, and also help the bartenders pick the beverages up from the storeroom. What are the responsibilities of a bar waiter? The responsibilities of a bar waiter are serving beverages to the guests, helping the bartenders open and close the bar, cleaning the bar counter, and also picking the beverages up from the storeroom. What do you know about a bartender? A bartender is a person who is responsible to make mixed drink, serve beverages to the guests who come to the bar counter, open and close the bar, clean the bar counter, do inventory, order and pick the beverages up from the storeroom. Can you mention some bar equipment? There are some bar equipment like major bar equipment, bar hand tools, glassware, and others. The example of major equipments are ice making machine, glass washing machine, refrigerator, cash register machine, ice bin, coffee machine, ice crusher machine, blender, and others. The example of bar hand tools are shaker, mixing glass, long bar spoon, opener, ice stone, ice scoop, bar knife, and others. There are two kinds of glassware in bar, namely unsteamed glass and steamed glass. The example of unsteamed glass are old-fashioned glass, Colin glass, highball glass, and others. The example of steamed glass are martini or cocktail glass, wine glass, champagne glass, and others. And the example of other equipments are furniture like table and chair, linen like tablecloths and service cloth, tray like round tray, square tray and billiard tray, ice bucket, and others. Can you mention some bar supplies, please? There are some bar supplies like garnishes, groceries, mixers, peppers, and others. Example of garnishes are cherry, olive, apple, pineapple, orange, kiwi, lime, peach, melon, and others. Example of groceries are salt, pepper, Tabasco, cinnamon stick, egg, and others. The example of mixtures are juice, mineral water, milk, coffee, cream, and others. The example of other supplies are coaster, drinking straw, toothpick, matches, order pad, writing tools, beverage lids, and others. How many kind of beverages do you know? There are two kinds of beverages, namely non-alcoholic beverages and alcoholic beverages. The example of non-alcoholic beverages are mineral water, syrup, coffee, tea, chocolate, milk, juice, squash, and others. Example of alcoholic beverages are beer, wine, spirit, and liquor. How many kind of juices do you know? There are two kinds of juices, namely vegetable juices and fruit juices. The example of vegetable juices are spinach juice and tomato juice, while the example of fruit juices are banana juice, avocado juice, strawberry juice, lemon juice, grapefruit juice, strawberry juice, and others. How many kinds of mineral water do you know? There are two mineral water. They are natural mineral water and artificial mineral water. The example of natural mineral water are Evian, Perrier, Aqua, and others. And the example of artificial mineral water are ginger ale, Coke, Sprite, and others. Can you mention some coffee, please? There are some coffees like regular coffee, decaffeinated coffee, cappuccino, espresso, coffee latte, Irish coffee, and others. Can you mention some tea, please? There are many kinds of tea, like regular tea, decaffeinated tea, and herbal tea. The example of herbal tea are green tea, chamomile, English breakfast, orange spice, and others. What are the examples of milk? There are some milk, like regular milk, skim milk, or low-fat milk, chocolate milk, vanilla milk, strawberry milk, and others. Can you mention some beer, please? There are some beer like Foster, Heineken, Anchor, Bintang, San Miguel, Muller, and others. How many kinds of wine do you know? There are 4 kinds of wines, namely table wines or natural still wine, sparkling wine, fortified wine, and aromatized wine. The example of table wine or natural still wines are red wine, white wine, and rose wine. The most famous sparkling wine is champagne. It is made in Champagne, a region in France. The example of fortified wine are port, Sherry, Malaga, Marsala, and Madeira. And the example of aromatic wines are vermouth and aperitif wines. What are the examples of spirit? The example of spirits are brandy, whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, and others. How many kinds of mixed drink do you know? There are two kinds of mixed drink, namely mocktail and cocktail. Mocktail is mixed drink without alcoholic beverages, while cocktail is mixed drink with alcoholic beverages. How many methods of making mixed drink do you know? There are 6 methods of making mixed drink, namely preparing, stirring, mixing, shaking, blending, and fluting. Number 1, preparing. It is pouring all the ingredient into the glass that is used to serve the mixed drink. For example, Cuba. Number 2 is stirring. It is pouring all the ingredient into the glass that is used to serve the mixed drink. Then they are stirred with long bar spoon. For example, orange squash. Number 3 is mixing. It is by pouring all the ingredient into the mixing glass, then they are stirred, poured into the glass that is used to serve the mixed drink after being strained. For example, martini cocktail. Number 4, fluting. It is by pouring the ingredient one by one slowly on the back of teaspoon. Therefore, this drink will consist of some layers. For example, angel tea. Number 5, blending. It is by pouring all the ingredient into an electric blender. Then they are blended, then poured into the glass that is used to serve the mixed drink. For example, banana daiquiri. Number 6 is shaking. It is pouring all the ingredient into a shaker. Then they are shaken, then poured into the glass that is used to serve the mixed drink. For example, grasshopper. What do you do if you find a valuable thing in your workplace? If I find a valuable thing in my workplace, I must inform to my supervisor, then report to lost and found office. In there, I must inform my name, my position, what, where, and when I find it. Can you explain the procedure of handling a guest complaint, please? The procedure of handling a guest complaints are listening, showing empathy, apologizing, solving, and thanking. Listening means we must listen the problem seriously. Do not try to give any argument, because the more we listen, the more we know how to handle the problem faced. Showing empathy means we must feel like how the guests feel. Solving means we must solve the problem. If the problem is serious, we must report it to the manager in charge. If the problem is unserious, it can be solved by ourselves. Apologizing means we must say sorry for the guest inconvenience. Thanking means we must thank the guest for informing the problem. What are your weaknesses, Mrs. Riyadi? My weakness is I'm sometimes nervous when I face an interview. Therefore, I must study hard and pray before facing an interview. One more question for you. How long do you want to work for our company? I would like to work for your company as long as possible. Okay, Mrs. Riyadi, thanks a lot for your coming and attending this interview. Congratulations, you're hired, and see you on board cruise line. Thanks a lot, Mr. John. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day and see you. Guys, itulah video saya kali ini. tentang pertanyaan interview di bagian bar di Kapal Pesiar. Mudah-mudahan video ini bermanfaat bagi you guys yang ingin bekerja di Kapal Pesiar di bagian bar, juga yang akan mengikuti interview di bagian bar. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share to your friends, and also write your comment below. I'm Suryani.